In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect WooCommerce products to your WhatsApp catalog using the Meta Cloud API. This is perfect if you want customers to browse your products directly inside WhatsApp, tap on items, and message you instantly to place orders. If you run an online store with WooCommerce, this setup can dramatically improve conversions and make buying easier for your customers. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any critical steps. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step e-commerce guides. Let's get started. Step 1 is installing and connecting Facebook for WooCommerce. Inside your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click Add Plugins. In the search bar, type Facebook for WooCommerce. Install the official plugin and click Activate. Once activated, go to Marketing in your left sidebar and click on Facebook. Then click Get Started to launch the setup wizard. A pop-up window will appear asking you to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you log in with the account that has access to your Meta Business Manager. During the setup wizard, you'll be asked to select your business manager, your Facebook page, and your pixel. Choose the correct business manager that owns your store assets. Then select the Facebook page connected to your brand. After that, select your existing Meta pixel, or create a new one if needed. Now here's a crucial step. When the wizard asks you to select or create a catalog, make sure you either choose an existing catalog or create a new one with a clear name, for example, Main Store Catalog. Naming it properly will help you identify it later when we connect it to WhatsApp. Complete the setup wizard. Once finished, your WooCommerce products will automatically begin syncing to Meta servers. Depending on how many products you have, this may take a few minutes. You can verify the sync status inside the plugin settings or directly in Commerce Manager. Now let's move to step 2, which is linking your catalog to WhatsApp. Open a new tab and go to business.facebook.com or developers.facebook.com and access your Meta Business tools. From the main dashboard, click on All Tools and then go to Commerce Manager. Inside Commerce Manager, select the catalog you just created in the previous step. Once you're inside the correct catalog, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings, then click on Business Assets. Here you'll see different assets that can be connected to your catalog. Find the WhatsApp section and click Add Asset or Connect Account. You'll be prompted to select your WhatsApp business account. Choose the correct WhatsApp business account associated with your Cloud API setup. Next, verify your WhatsApp business phone number. Meta will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code when prompted to confirm the connection. Once connected successfully, your WooCommerce catalog is now linked to WhatsApp. This means your products are available inside your WhatsApp business environment and can be displayed to users directly in chat. Now let's move to the final step, which is enabling the shopping button in WhatsApp so customers can actually see the catalog. Go to your WhatsApp Manager inside Meta Business Suite. Select your phone number from the list of WhatsApp business accounts. In the left-hand menu, click on Catalog. Click Connect Catalog and choose the WooCommerce catalog you synced earlier. After selecting it, confirm the connection. Then look for the option that says Show Catalog on Profile and toggle it to On. This is extremely important because without enabling this option, customers won't see the shopping button on your WhatsApp profile. Once enabled, open your WhatsApp business profile and you'll now see the shopping or catalog button visible to users. When customers tap it, they'll be able to browse your WooCommerce products directly inside WhatsApp, view product images, descriptions, and pricing, and send you a message about any specific item instantly. And that's it. You've successfully connected WooCommerce products to your WhatsApp catalog using the Cloud API. Your store is now integrated with Meta's ecosystem, and customers can shop directly through chat, making the buying process faster and more convenient. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce and WhatsApp integration tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a follow-up video on automating WhatsApp messages or setting up payment links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.